Do you want to become a profitable intraday trader? Hi, I'm C.A. Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer, welcomes you to this very special Easy Money show. I know you have to watch this program till the end in order to know what is required to become a profitable intraday trader, and I'll also introduce you for the fabulous subject of market profile. So do watch till the end without fail, and forward, subscribe, and even hit the bell notification right now. First of all, people have to understand, to do intraday trading you have to know the subject of market profile, because whether you use the normal technical analysis or the candlestick pattern, one has to have some knowledge of market profile if you want to become a profitable intraday trader. Now, even before we go to market profile, I'm sure you want to know what is intraday trading and how is it different from positional trading. An intraday trader, he will buy and sell within the time limit of a day time frame. So you all know market opens at 9:15 a.m. in India and it closes at 3:30. Forget the pre-market because we can't trade in that 9 to 9:15 zone. But then as an intraday trader, you have time stop loss. What is this time stop loss? Whether your target or stop loss is hit or not, the moment the time for the day is over, you have to exit your position. Most of the brokers, they have this time stop loss, and intraday square off will happen at 3:15 p.m. So that means if you take an intraday trade, irrespective of whether your target or stop loss comes, you have to exit before 3:15 p.m. And let me tell you, to become a profitable intraday trader, it is a must to know market profile. And let me teach you market profile too in this special program. In market profile, we try to see what retail traders are doing and what the OTF, that is other time frame participant, also called as big fish, operator, or FIIs, or you might say people with information and people with money power are doing. So in market profile, we have a lot of concepts like initial balance, value area, and one has to know how to use this for profitable trading. And let me tell you, a simple trading system of market profile today is, if market starts trading above yesterday's value area high, then I say market is positive, and if market starts trading below yesterday's value area low, then we say market is negative or bearish. But however, what is this value area? How do we see even other things like initial balance, and do we have any profitable intraday trading techniques? Now all this in detail you will be learning on the third day of our 3-day intensive program, Zero to Millionaire. Especially if you are an intraday trader, especially if you are a beginner, and especially if you want to become a profitable trader, then don't miss this very special program, Zero to Millionaire, happening this weekend. And full information about the same is there in the description. Do log in right now to www.ztmindia.com and register for this program. Very special offer and huge discounts are given, and entire money what you pay as fees, 100% of that goes to charity. Guys, you can't miss this very special offers which are there available. And if you want more information, go to the description now, register, and if you want any support, you can even contact my team. All details are there for you in the description. Wishing you all to become a profitable trader and learn intensively and with ease and with simplicity all these things. Wishing you all the best. Thank you for watching. See you all in the weekend program. Bye-bye.